In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. First, open your Binance app and go to your portfolio. You can also do this from a computer, but I'm going to do it from my phone. Once on your portfolio, look for your Tether or your USDT. In this case, they appear here, but you can click on the search button to look for them if they don't appear. The next step is to click on the Tether button and then click on Withdraw in the bottom left corner of the screen, like this. And then you just have to wait. Now, in this screen, you have to enter the address you want to send your USDT to, and the most important thing is you select the right network. So make sure to check you have all that information right before you transfer. Otherwise, you can even lose all your money. The last step is to enter the amount you want to withdraw. In this case, the minimum is 50, and I don't have enough money. But after you completed this step, just click on the bottom of the bottom right that says Withdraw. It will then ask you to enter your two-step verification to confirm your identity, and that's it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. See you on the next one.